Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see XRP, what is planning to do. Are we set up here and ready for, of course, for a bull run or not yet? So we have an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1 or wave A, followed by a correction and finished wave B or wave 2. And a 1, 2 there, of course, in the blue box, perfectly given. And therefore, this 1, 2 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1 there, we are, of course, here expecting a W, X, and a Y, or an A, B, and a C. So we're still expecting, of course, a structure to be finished, honestly, here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 waves at least before we push toward the upside. And potentially still taking the 0.786 here with one more leg toward the downside, and then, of course, starting to push for higher. However, today is somehow a very green day for the whole crypto market. So, of course, we are expecting higher prices for all the crypto, but I'm not yet convinced that we are bullish, meaning I'm not yet convinced that we are starting a bull run here. Of course, we're still looking here for something to push for lower yet. I'm still expecting at least five waves down, especially that this double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and this is a 3 waves here that it is unfolding there. Yeah, so we have a corrective 3 waves, and again, of course, the 3 waves down, or even it can be, of course, an A, B, and a C expanding flat, which it can be also an A, B, and a C toward the upside. However, I don't trust it yet that this is a wave 1, 2, because the wave 2 is too much long in time, of course, based on the wave 1, if this is a wave 1, A, B, C, and then to push for a wave 3 toward the upside. So I don't trust it honestly yet. I still see, of course, something to push here for higher. Don't forget our diagonal here is, of course, a very likely scenario to happen. A diagonal, which it can be, of course, in this case, can be, of course, a big wave within this wick. If you want to consider it, it can be, of course, a big 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or triangle, of course, as well, because it's hard to get a diagonal without reaching the low here, wave 3. So I would say even if we are inside this potential zigzag, you can have a zigzag up and zigzag down, and finishing, of course, a diagonal internally, where you might have an A, B, and a C. The wave C is your diagonal. Yeah, this is your wave B. The wave C is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So if we are working on a wave 1, 2 here, so yeah, it can be, of course, don't forget your target is 1 to 1. This scenario has been given already before as an ABC here, and the wave C is given there. I think we need to update here just a little bit the wave B. So yeah, we have a wave 1 to 1 here at $1.94. That it can be a possibility, of course, of a wave 2, guys. However, this is too much high, I would say. I mean, XRP normally when it is bullish, it can do this, right? But for this, I still need, of course, a confirmation for it, confirmation for higher, which it might be, of course, above this possibility here. Yeah, as of course 1, 2 here, I doubt it a little bit, guys. Yeah, so I doubt it also that we are in a 1, 2 downward, like somehow like this. This is your wave 1 and then ABC. It can be, why not? It can be as well. I mean, it's not, this is for bearish, of course. Yeah, I don't see even like a very clear impulse in this move here. Yeah, so this thing here, looks for me wave 5 longer than wave 3 and so on. Yeah, so it's a doubtful one. By all means, if we are continuing here for higher, let's follow the micro, of course, since the market is very, very tricky. Simply let's follow the micro. Obviously, we have double 1, 2. Obviously, it is a wave 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. And we're gonna take it from there. Yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen over there. I'm gonna watch, of course, actually is this high to be taken, of course, this as confirmation for higher right now. So I would say if we take it, okay, there is a possibility to push even for higher there, because also this is gonna invalidate a 1, 2. Because if in case, guys, this is a wave 1, ABC, wave 2, the wave C is still double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, can still be unfolding as we were looking for it before. Yeah, still reaching our target 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then a wave 4 still unfolding here, wave 4 finished, and can be of course a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish a wave 5. Yeah, so this is your finished wave 4. Currently this scenario is still of course playing, and nothing yet is totally bullish here, guys, so be careful. Of course, I don't trust it, as I mentioned. Nothing here as a 1-2 setup. I doubt it so much. Maximum you might have of course an ABC, and it might still be in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the downside. Before taking this confirmation for high, I cannot say anything bullish there, like as confirmed bull run or something for a new all-time high. And once we take this and we push for higher and we break the 1-to-1 fib level, therefore I call a bull run. Okay. If you think it's too late, it is not. Definitely it is not. Until you reach this area, you cannot make sure that you are pushing for a new all-time high, and you have a long way from down there to the top, of course, but you need a confirmation, of course, guys. Yep, so this is regarding XRP. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.